The system is dropping heavy snow and winds in the Washington, D.C. area today. After burying Minnesota and Iowa, the storm brought nearly a foot of new snow to Chicago. And weather expert David Bernard says the nation's capital is getting hit hard today.
We could have 6 to 10 inches on either side of D.C. or Baltimore. You head further west into the mountains of this purple area, we'll be measuring the snow possibly 1 to 2 feet.
Forecasters say the storm is also bringing coastal flooding to the same parts of the Jersey Shore devastated last year by Hurricane Sandy. The National Weather Service says this is the biggest, most widespread storm of the winter.